Hello everyone, in this video how to create a dashed outline in Photoshop for many way. First of all, step 1, select the shape tool, right click, use rectangle tool or use any tool, then mode shape mode without fill, use only stroke, choose the stroke color, example use red color, then select the drop down menu and see this dashed outline. Click here, press enter, then click anywhere, increase the dash outline size. OK. And step 2, create a new layer, select the pen tool, apply the same process, click anywhere, hold shift for straight line and do not hold shift for curved line. Hold Alt remove, that's it. Hold Alt key, hold shift, hold shift. Thanks for watching video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.